I got my mini portable washing machine. Yay!
And this is?
Miko. It's like invented in Japan, and I think now it's made in USA or somewhere like that. So you can see here, it only uses a voltage of 110. Yeah, I don't know what all this mean. Wash capacity 3.6 kilogram. Okay, and spin capacity 3.6 kilogram. The size and package size, weight. Oh, weight is 10 kilogram. Gross weight 11 kilogram. Let me see if I can lift it up. Oh my god, this is so light. What kind of washing machine you can just like, I feel like a Hogan or something, I don't know. Anyways, let me do the cutting open box for you today, okay? So you might think about getting this yourself too. So should I cut now? Cut here too. And how am I gonna open this? There's lots of juggle peeling all these tapes off. Oh yeah, I should have got a cutter. If I had a cutter or a knife, I could just split this open. Oh, there's one thing I'm really worried about because the post guy, the mailman, I think he kind of dropped the box or something. He just lift the whole thing all by myself. Oh my god. Okay. And I guess this is the cover. Oh, this is so cute. My little portable washing machine. See, there's a cord behind it. You can plug it in anywhere. And oh, look! You open it up. This is the washing side. And this side is for drying. So for spinning. And then you got this thing inside.
I'm sorry to talk right now.
Yeah.
But I think you're too front. I don't think that can record. You have to back it up. I keep telling you. Yeah. Okay. Back it up to more.
Well, why don't you check it first over there? And instruction. Mini portable washer. Model number 36-3AAS. Well, it's just a simple manual that tells you like what not to do, what to do and stuff like that. And I guess, oh, what am I supposed to say now?
Start.
There's a wash timer right here. You can go like 3 minutes, 6 minutes, up to 15 minutes. Yeah. And it's like this. Ta-da! Ah, so cute. It's like the size of a, I don't know, like a rice cooker or something like that. So you can just put in like maybe like 3 liters, something like 3 liters or 4 liters of water, and you can do your washes. Yeah, that's good for washing your panties every day and your socks. And this side is for wringing, for spinning the water out of your clothes. So it's like this. You grab it and put it here. And this one has a timer from 1 minute to 5 minutes. Yeah, right here, like that. Okay, and then you have a control here to drain the water, normal or soft wash. They have 3 levels. Oh, this is so cute. You can, I think, you can ask your little, if you have little kids, you can teach them like to play with this, and they could do all your clothes for you, right? You can even ask your children to wash all the clothes for you. You put the clothes in here to spin, and you put this in, to press it down. And this is a hose for getting the water from your tap into the washing machine. This is the washing side. Yeah, so there's a timer. You can wash it up to 15 minutes. There's drain water, normal wash, and soft wash. And the spin time goes up to 5 minutes. Yeah, this one has a timer. Oh, and I guess this is where you're gonna plug in from your tap. Yeah, this side goes to the tap, and then water goes in, the hot or cold water. That's pretty cute. I love it. This is so convenient. You can wash it every day, and it doesn't use much electricity, so that's so excellent. Well, I hope you see the next video when I'm using this machine. Okay? Talk to you later. Bye. Next video, how to use this machine. Okay? Hi. So actually, I'm gonna wash my clothes today. I put in some water to about 80%, and I put my pajama pants and my slippers and my top, my pajama top. And you could put like another couple more, but today that's all I needed to wash, so this is very convenient. It doesn't use much hot water. And there's a setting at 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes. So I just turn, and then it'll just start washing. Okay, so this, when the washing has stopped, you can put this on the other side like that, and then you have this round stuff to hold on to on the top, so everything's not gonna fly out. One more step, my little undies. Okay, and then you press down the water, close, and then you spin. This is like for another 5 minutes. And the important thing is that the water drains from the other side, so you have to make sure you put the tube into somewhere that you can drain. So, ta-da! It's already done. Oh, my little Andy. And see, it's very, very, very dry feeling. Like there's no more moisture inside. So what you have to do is you have to hang them up and air dry, or you could throw them into your hot dryer. Okay, enjoy the little washing machine.
Bye. Bye. It's done.